affordable, fast, easy, and safe molecular diagnostic test for COVID-19 in less than 1 hour. Test is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Part 1. Self-administered nasal swab sample collection kit, which follows the CDC instructions for nasal sample collection. Insert the soft end of the swab into both nostrils. Place swab, tip first, into the sample tube provided. For safety, solution in tube includes 70% isopropyl alcohol to inactivate the COVID-19 virus. Part 2. Open the EasyNAT Diagnostic Test Kit. Remove test cartridge. Remove RNA extraction reagent container 1 milliliter. Shake the container until the magnetic beads are suspended, then transfer to the test cartridge. Next, add the nasal sample to the test cartridge and shake to mix again. Part 3. Scan the cartridge QR code and patient sample barcode using the EasyNAT Tester barcode reader. Place cartridge in test channel. Start test. Get your result in less than 55 minutes. We have the safest, fastest, and easiest molecular RNA COVID-19 test. eHealthcare for rapid, easy, safe COVID testing.